Hey y'all, welcome to our channel. I will be putting on Moo's makeup today, so keep watching.
Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my niece does my makeup. This is Stella, my beautiful little niece. How old are you?
6.
She's 6 years old, and today she's going to learn how to do some makeups. You ready to start?
Yes.
Alright.
I'm excited.
You excited? I'm excited too. Well, we're just going to go ahead and jump right in. So if you want to see how talented this little chica is right here.
Stop it! I'm chica!
Then let's just go ahead and get started.
Smashbox Photo Finish Primer.
Yep. Alright, so we're just going to open it. It goes like here and here. Down like this section.
So I rub it with my finger?
Mm-hmm. So
And
you can
put it like dots on your face, or just...
however you want to do it. But don't go overboard. You can put it on the back of your hand and do it that way?
Yeah. How do you even...
Oh, that's my fault, because I am scraping sides in here. Yeah, get that zit, girl.
Okay, it's fine. On your nose?
Uh-huh.
Boop. Boop. Put down your chin.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit too much, maybe. Sorry, boot your nose.
And don't forget my cheeks, yeah. Get
Get
them pores, home squirrel.
Oh, sorry about that. Get all the excess off. There we go.
Okay, next is foundation.
Foundation.
Foundation. So here's my little mixing board. It is a Bath & Body Works candle topper. So pour some, and just squirt some onto here. All right, and then use my dirty beauty blender. You got it.
Okay, so do I just soak it up and put it on?
Uh-huh, but you want to use this end because Moo's got a big face and you got to cover all of it.
What, I put it all over your face?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry. Ginger.
It's scary when my eyes are closed.
I'm sorry, I was doing that. Just open your eyes, that's fine.
Oh, okay. Do you know how Moo's eyebrows usually look?
No.
You wanna look at my face? Just go for it.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be horrible. What if you keep just saying what if? Oh my god. Oh my lord, this is gonna look like a beast.
Like a beast.
Beauty and the Beast.
But I'm just a beast.
I'm just kidding, seriously. No, okay, or second? Choose one. Second?
But go ahead, go for it, girl.
This is gonna look terrible at the end.
I feel like you're ripping my skin off. You're digging so hard.
I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. There, that's perfect.
Okay, is that good?
Yeah.
Alright.
Into your mirror.
Mira.
What is the next process here? It is.
To set my eyebrows.
So how do you do this mess?
It's like, you know what mascara looks like, right?
Yes.
It's like mascara for your eyebrows.
Oh my gosh. Like, do you do it over your eyebrows or something?
Mm-hmm. Like use it. Remember how you use the brush on the other one? It's on there. Just brush through my eyebrows.
Oh my. That looks like some kind of slime going through your eyebrows. It looks like it, seriously.
Looks like slime.
Yes. you do?
It does stuff.
What kind of stuff?
Like it makes it look more like hair instead of eyebrow stuff. All right, you good?
Yeah. Okay, I'll do this like pretty dark color.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, whatever you wanna do. So,
My eyebrows look like whoa.
here's a brush, and here's another brush. All right, use what you think you need to use.
Okay, I'll just use it.
By the way, she's using the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe. I don't know how to say that. The thing I got in my box, she's gonna use that.
Okay, what should I use? I don't know.
What color are you going in with?
That one.
She's gonna go in with this daring blue here, and it's gonna look beautiful. You probably want to use something like this then.
Okay.
All right, now you're gonna want to pack it on. That way it doesn't get blue all over here, because then we're gonna have a hard time trying to cover all that up.
Okay, that looks horrible. I'm sorry for that. That was pretty.
Ooh, okay.
It looks a little bit jaggy right there, but I'll try it.
Ow!
I hurt your eyebrows.
No, my eyeball. Feels like you're digging it out of my face.
Okay, that looks horrible.
That's alright, just we'll blend. We'll blend.
Blended it! Blended it!
Just take that and just blend the edges out. Perfect.
Okay.
We go. Do concealer now. You know where concealer goes?
No.
Where do you think it goes? Oh no, I got it on my shirt.
It's fine, it's just
Okay,
blue shirt.
put it underneath my eyes, but like don't blind me.
I'm not gonna want you.
You don't have to go so close.
Like, right under your purple eye.
I got purple eyes. Girl, one day you gonna learn. One day you gonna learn. All right. You gotta work fast, that way it doesn't dry. Now we're gonna take that powder, just dip it in, and then put it where you put the concealer.
Okay, is that baby powder or something?
No, it's not baby powder. It's setting powder.
Setting powder?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. Does that set things up or something?
And you can go ahead and like pat that all over my face.
All over your face? Okay.
Go ahead and get that under my eyes too. I can see.
What?
I can just see the powder. Whoa, that's a lot. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, keep going, keep going.
Oh my gosh.
I look like a what?
This is no monster with blue eyeshadow.
Okay, well, fix me up then.
Okay. Blend it in. Blend. I'm gonna
All right, you gotta blend this out too, where you put it first.
Boop.
All right, now.
Wait, no, it's not. I'm spread it out.
No, I don't think you got it all over you.
Don't.
Here you go. Now use a brush to blend it out.
Looks perfect.
Okay.
I'm like, what?
My face feels really dry.
That's really.
Okay. All right, now we're going to do bronzer.
Okay, where's the bronzer heart?
Yep.
Chocolate heart or something?
Yeah, kind of like. Bronzer brush.
Where am I doing that on?
All right, Alright, you're gonna make like a 3 on my face. A 3 on one side and an E on the other.
Does it matter which side?
Ghostly. You're too tan next to me. Okay.
Stop it, I've been in the sun. That's how I just do it. Oh my gosh, that is way too tan.
I can be tan. I know you've never seen it before.
I was singing like peachy.
Peachy? As in burnt?
Never seen it burnt.
You're gonna pick one, or all of them, whatever you want to do. Which color?
This color is like a pretty color, like whenever I put my fake makeup on, that is the same kind of color and it's beautiful. Or do you think I should do that color?
I like this color better, but it's up to you. You're the makeup artist.
No. Your cheekbone?
That's not my cheekbone. A giant apple on my face.
Don't be a fishy. Pretty.
Pretty. Now, my favorite part.
Seriously, what is that? Highlight. Oh my gosh! Highlight? Oh, good grief.
Good grief. Okay, we're going in with my...
Highlighter.
Yes. And
The highlighter though.
Yes.
Lou says that all the time. Sorry about that.
Okay, this is the Amrezy highlighter. Alright, I'm gonna just go ahead and do this dip in for you because you can't ruin this highlight. Because this is the best highlighter of all time. There's a lot on there, careful. Alright, do you know where highlight goes?
No.
Well, I put it everywhere because why not? So I put it right here on the top of my cheek.
Oh my god.
Yeah, just right under the eye, just Yeah, you don't want to put it right under the eye. But what we're there, flip the brush over and put it on this side. Oh yeah, getting in there. Right down the nose. On the chin.
Oh, like the bone on the chin?
Yeah, like right here. And then on this part of my lip. And then right there. 1, 2. Oh yeah, right in the center of the forehead. Now have mascara.
I'm bad at
Okay, well, as long as you don't put my eye out, you'll be okay.
that.
All right, just a thin coat. Use this and flake it off of my nose, that mascara. Okay, come on.
It's coming up a little bit.
Oh, okay, that hurts. All right, well, we'll just stop there. All right, for you, we gotta add some highlight though. We're gonna pack that highlighter on. Look at that chin. Woo!
Okay, we're gonna have this on night tonight, and it's gonna be a boil.
All right. Oh, there we go. It zoomed in. Okay. So overall, eyebrows don't look bad. I like the eyebrows. You did something with that. And let's see what else here. Lips. Looking a little
So not bad.
foundation, not shabby. My under eyes look horrible because highlighter is the worst for my under eye. Ah. But not bad. That eyeshadow though. That cutie. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed having little Miss Stella on my channel. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and always remember to stay trendy. Alright, hang on. Let's boost you up another level.
Okay.
Booster seat!
Booster seat!
Alright.
Okay, that's
Ooh, that worked a lot better, huh?
Yeah.
Well, careful. There we go.
I'm sitting on the tower here.
So,
Where's the fighting process?
what is the what?
Fighting process.
The fighting process.
Looks like I have such a small face, but I'm seriously.
Well, you saying I got a big face? Alright, fine, let me just back up. Like Shrek.
I fell off a chair.
Oh no, it stopped recording. Wait. Oh no, it didn't. Never mind. Here you go. Oh, that's on my nose.
I told you.
We pledge allegiance to the band of Mr. Schneebly and will not fight him for creative control.
For creative control.
I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey.
Don't forget to subscribe.